Hello and welcome back to the Module 4 of the Microsoft Project Fundamentals course, and this will be the final video for this module where we will talk about sharing and printing a project plan. Basically, we've looked at different views and reporting, and based on those you can decide to print a plan if you need to print a physical copy of a plan that you can share with people, or you can share them with other colleagues or friends or people who wants to have the plan. But in an organization, you have to make sure that when you share, you're connected and your project management, your Microsoft project tool or application is connected or linked uh, in such a way that allows you for sharing plans. So it's not enough to just have the Microsoft project on your computer, but there's a lot of IT work that goes on to make this possible, which is also why you need that to make sure you can sync your plan with the plans of other project managers or people. But that is something that one learns on an advanced level of using Microsoft project. So let's pull up the plan of Mr. John, where we stopped last by looking at different reports and views. And here this is a tax board report, which we made by going to report and tax board. Now we might want to print this, and we simply go to file and we say print. Give it some time, and then you see that so there are 4 things to be printed here, 1 out of 4, and you can go down and up. Okay, so you can print this out and you can use it for your communication in any way. And we go back, you can change the view. Let's go to report and let's say resource overview, and you can go to file and print. It takes a while, and then you can print this. So I think you understand the basics here. To print something out or share it, you need to first be in that view before you can do that. And you can also set up all the page margins for your printers, just to be sure that when you print, everything goes well. But this is not within the scope of this project. Talking about sharing, I will try to show you the steps, but if this tool, the MS project tool, is not configured to do that here correctly, then we might not be able to go further. So we go to file and we go to share, and it says sync with SharePoint. If I try to do that, and maybe with email, send as attachment. So I can send this as attachment, which if I do that, my Microsoft Outlook will come out and as an attachment, and I can put the names of the people here to do that, to send to. So this is one way you can actually send or share your project plan or a report or a view or a dashboard. So I will close it because I'm not going to send it for real. So, and that's one way. So let's go back to Gantt chart and let's do the same thing with print and see what that gives us. So it takes a while to build up, and there you go. And if we go back and we this time use share, again we use an email, send us an attachment, and you can type the name of the person you want to send it to, and you can say send. So let's just try something here. And let's do that. And the email should receive that project plan. Okay, so this is basically what I wanted to talk about here. There are other things you can play around within the format. This is also the format. This is project summary. You can do a lot of things here. So let's then go back, go to tags and chat. And finally, we wrap up the course by summarizing everything that we've done, going from introduction of Microsoft Project and its environment and the topics we looked at, defining it, what are they, where are they used, why is it important. We showed you how to start the project application and explain a good number of the windows which we used in building a plan step by step by creating a new project plan, or you can also start with a template, add tags, the duration, the start and finish date, define auto-schedule tags such that it automatically calculates the duration and time, link the tags to create dependencies, and try to avoid dependencies if not really needed, depending on the nature of your plan. And then we added resources and defined milestones as well as defined baseline, looked at changes to baseline, and also looked at properties that you can change for each task. And then we looked at different views and reporting and dashboard and how you can print and share them. So with all this, we hope that we've been able to, as we said from the beginning of the course, this is all you need to start or to get going, which means get going means you can start and you can also improve more because you have the skills on your hands. And basically this brings us to the end of this course. Thank you very much and see you